Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ali Tech YT. Today I will show you how to optimize and boost your PC with Microsoft PC Management. It provides the best performance and also clears junk files from your PC and make your PC faster. Follow my steps. Search Microsoft Store. Type Microsoft PC Manager. Tap on this and get free, then open it greater than. Tap on Boost Bar to boost your system. You can also force stop the app through this app. You can also check the health of your system. Deep cleaning helps to remove junk files and many temp files to improve performance and increase storage. You can also select the files that you want to remove. You can also use for deep uninstalling programs. Set Smart Boosting will help your system to increase performance. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, and comment.